Hello students, I hope you are doing fine. Today I will teach you chapter first, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this chapter we will learn about meaning of nationalism, painting of Frederic Soriot, and third topic, the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. So let's start. The first chapter, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Firstly, this is compulsory chapter in your textbook. First of all, talk about the meaning of this chapter name. How nationalism rise up. So, start of introduction. In 19th century, here there was a new force begin. New force, not a gun weapon. It was new force was feeling, emotion. That feeling, emotion is known as nationalism. It means nationalism is devotion to own nation. Second topics in this chapter, painting of Frederic Soriot. You must have seen this picture. This is the picture on the very first page of the history textbook. This picture was created by French artist Frederic Soriot in 1848. Frederic Soriot, basically the dream of an ideal kind of world that he wants to see. He visualized in this particular picture. Look at this picture. There are so many people, men, women, their caste, culture, their social status, all of them gather together and they are marching in a long train. Statue of Liberty as they passes by it, Liberty as a female figure. Here you can recognize the torch of enlightenment. People hand with flags, different customs, and leading them is USA and Switzerland. Now Frederick had an idea. He did not want an absolute institution, that is monarchy. He wanted it to be a nation state. It is the why the people for the people. Now you must be wondering why I'm explain this picture, because that is biggest in your exam. Various questions based on this picture. Now you must also be able to see in this picture like Jesus Christ, so many angels, heavens, about so that is because he wanted to have an idea of fraternity. Fraternity means symbolize sharing of common interest, and in this time everyone wants to get into a nation state. Next topic, nation state. It means nation state emerged after overthrowing monarchy and dynasty. In a nation state, citizens come to develop a common identity based on the shared language, traditions, customs, etc. Suppose I am Indian. How will I describe myself? I am definitely say I am Indian, not that Hindu, Muslim, Christians, etc. So we will say that I am an Indian. Next, now we'll be starting with the very first part of this particular chapter, the French Revolution and the idea of the nation. So nationalism. Nationalism means all of the people of the particular nation take pride. They shared common interest, common language, common tradition, common culture. That is called nationalism. So French Revolution in law patrie, it means fatherland, and les citoyens, citizens, that citizens have connected with motherland. There were many changes this time. So first changes is flag. Royal flag is changed, replaced by new tricolor flag. Second General Assembly. The E-State General was elected by the body of active citizens that renamed the Nation Assembly. Third, new hymns were composed, oaths taken, and name of the nation. A centralized administrative system was put in place and it formulated uniform law for all citizens with a territory, internal customs, duties, and uniform system of weight and measures was adapted. French, as it was spoken and written in Paris, became the common language of the nation. The revolutionaries declared it was the mission and destiny of the French nation to liberate the people of Europe from despotism. In other words, to help other people of Europe to become nation, but increased taxation force into the French armies required to conquer the rest of Europe all seemed to outweigh the advantage of administrative changes. Thanks.